In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offer free shipping on a minimum order amount in WooCommerce. If you're running an online store, you already know that shipping costs can be a significant factor in customer decision-making. Offering free shipping can be a great incentive to increase your average order value while giving your customers more reason to shop with you. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process step by step, so by the end, you'll have a seamless free shipping option set up for your WooCommerce store. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log in to your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage all aspects of your website, including your WooCommerce store. Once you're logged in, look over at the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see a section labeled WooCommerce. Go ahead and click on that to open up the WooCommerce settings menu. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the option labeled Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for WooCommerce. Now, at the top of the page, you'll notice a series of tabs. Look for the one labeled Shipping and click on it. This is where you'll manage all the shipping-related settings for your store. Once you're on the Shipping tab, you'll see a list of your existing shipping zones. A shipping zone is essentially a specific region where you've defined shipping methods and costs. For example, you might have one zone for domestic orders and another for international. Find the shipping zone you want to modify. This will be where you want to offer free shipping, and click the Edit button next to it. Now that you're editing the shipping zone, you should see a list of the shipping methods that are currently available for that zone. Look for the free shipping method in the list. If you don't see it, you may need to add it first, but for now, let's assume it's already there. Once you find it, click the Edit button next to free shipping. This will take you to the settings for the free shipping method. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Free Shipping Requires. Go ahead and click on that drop-down menu to reveal the available options from the list. Select the option that says Minimum Order Amount. This is the setting that will allow you to offer free shipping to customers who meet a specific spending threshold. Next, you'll see a field where you can enter your desired minimum order amount. Carefully type in the amount you want customers to spend in order to qualify for free shipping. For example, if you want to offer free shipping on orders of $50 or more, you would simply enter 50 in this field. Be sure to choose an amount that aligns with your business goals and covers your shipping costs effectively. Once you've entered the minimum order amount, there's just one more step. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. This will finalize your settings and ensure that the free shipping option is applied correctly. And that's it. You've successfully set up free shipping for orders above a certain amount in WooCommerce. Now, when customers shop on your site and reach the minimum order value you specified, they'll automatically see free shipping as an option at checkout. It's a simple but highly effective way to boost your average order value and create a better shopping experience for your customers. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.